Everyone, after a long period not having this on the menu because of the exchange in Olivo Carne and Olivezzo, we brought it back in Olivo here in 21 Eccleston Street. Is the well-known Suckling Pig, and as you can see, with a little bit of a crackling skin, and it's a typical Sardinian dish, which I love, and I usually pair it with this amazing one of the months at the moment, which is great value. It's called Giganti from Sardinia, and is absolutely the best blend. And again, this doesn't break the bank because it's sold at a very good value. And I hope to see you in Olivo too soon for you to try this lovely Suckling Pig. Goodbye. A bit of crackling with it. I love this. Mmm.